Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok on PC. So you can use TikTok on PC, but of course there are limited features, not like on mobile. So first you can just start by opening your browser and then just type in tiktok.com. Click on enter. And here you can sign in to your TikTok account just like on mobile. You can just use your account in here. You can see I haven't signed in yet, and here you can explore TikTok videos by just scrolling it down without having to log in actually. But if you want to upload your videos, you can just click on login. So here I'm going to first show you how you can find TikTok videos by using tags. So for example, in here what you need to do is just write tiktok.com/tag and slash. Okay, write tiktok.com/tag/keyword in here. For example, I'm going to find Blackpink and just click on enter, and TikTok videos related to this hashtag will appear. Or you can also find a certain usernames in TikTok. For example, in here I'm going to go with @ and find for example, I'm going to find CapCut. I'm going to just find a CapCut account on TikTok. You can see it will appear in here. How about if you want to upload a video? So what you need to do is log in first. Click on the login button. You can use your email, your Facebook, or Google. So for example, in here I'm going to use my email to log in. Just wait a few seconds. Let's try again in here. I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay, so I've successfully logged in now, and this is my TikTok account. So if you want to upload a TikTok video, what you need to do is just hit on the upload button at the top, then just select the videos that you want to upload. Here you need to verify it first, and then here you can just select your videos. For example, I'm going to upload this videos right here. Now you can just wait until it's successfully uploading, and here you can edit the captions, add hashtag, mention. You can also edit the cover in here. Click on confirm if it's done. Here you can, if you have a playlist, you can also add it into a playlist and set who can watch your video. I'm going to go with everyone. And want to post, you can also schedule it in here. So by scheduling your videos, you allow your video to be uploaded and stored on our servers before posting. You can also run a copyright check if you want to, and if it's done, you can just click on post. So that's all. That's how you can use TikTok on PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.